Hello, I'm Cotton, the chef dog. Today we're going to make an international dish. It's pizza. There are many varieties of pizza. There are margherita, Neapolitan, vegetarian, meat lovers, and more. Share in the comments what your favorite pizza is. To make our pizza, we'll need the following ingredients. For the dough, wheat flour, butter, salt, yeast, and for the sauce, tomatoes, butter, onion, garlic, and salt. If you like, you can add oregano. We will also need mozzarella cheese and the toppings you want to add to your pizza. The first thing we need to do is the pizza dough. We add the flour, butter, salt, and sugar in a cup. Then we knead until we have a smooth dough that doesn't stick to the balls. We roll out the dough with a rolling pin and place it on the baking tray, leaving it there. Now we make the sauce. This is very simple. We put the tomato, butter, salt, garlic, and onion in the blender and blend it very well. Then we put everything in a pan and cook over medium heat until the sauce is slightly thickened. Our sauce is ready. Now we just have to assemble our pizza. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We pour the sauce over the dough and spread it all over the dough. Then we place the cheese and the toppings we desire. We put it in the oven and wait. You can watch TV like me while we wait. After some time, we take it out. And look how beautiful it turned out. Now we just need to try it. Delicious. Go ahead and make it at home. Thank you for joining me. Don't miss my next recipe. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I make the next recipe. I'm Cotton the Chef Dog.